Cruise ships might look like floating paradises, but some mistakes can turn your dream vacation into a nightmare you'll never forget.
Number 7. Don't ignore muster drills. It might seem boring, but that safety drill on day 1 could save your life. Many passengers skip it, thinking it's optional. It's not. Cruise lines can actually find you or remove you from the ship if you don't attend. In an emergency, knowing where to go and what to do can be the difference between chaos and survival.
Number 6. Don't bring alcohol or irons from home. Most cruise lines strictly ban outside alcohol in household appliances like irons or kettles. Why? Alcohol affects onboard security and profits, while irons are a major fire hazard, and fire is the biggest danger at sea. Security scanners will catch these items before you even board.
Number 5. Don't be rude to the crew. Behind every perfect vacation is a crew working 12 to 14 hours a day, often away from home for months. Being rude to them not only gets you flagged by management, but also guarantees poor service for the rest of your trip. A little kindness goes a long way at sea.
Number 4. Don't ignore crew-only signs. Those crew-only doors hide the behind-the-scenes world. Tight corridors, storage areas, and security zones you're not supposed to see. Wandering into them could violate maritime law or trigger an onboard security alert. Stay where you belong, and you'll stay out of trouble.
Number 3. Don't overdo the buffet. Unlimited food sounds like heaven, until it's not. Overeating on a moving ship can lead to seasickness, dehydration, and long lines at the medical bay. Cruise food is amazing, but moderation keeps you feeling great for the whole trip.
Number 2. Don't miss the all-aboard time. Every cruiser's nightmare, the ship leaving without you. Ports of call have strict schedules, and the captain won't wait if you're running late. If you miss it, you'll have to find your own way to the next port at your own expense.
Number 1. Don't do anything illegal. Ever. Cruise ships follow maritime law, which means breaking the rules at sea is taken very seriously. Drugs, fights, vandalism, they can all lead to arrest, heavy fines, or even being handed over to foreign authorities. What happens at sea doesn't stay at sea. It follows you home.